Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to hide favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. As you can see, favorites bar is appearing below the address bar in our browser window. To hide it, click the three dots icon in the top right corner of the window. Select Favorites from the drop-down menu. Favorites window will open. Now click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of this window. Hover your mouse on Show Favorites bar. Select Never from the drop-down menu. As you can see, Favorites bar is hidden now. This is how you can hide Favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching.